Okie dokie. Camping trip. Minimal type stuff. Fluids. 1.5 litres of water. 1.5 litres of homemade ale. A little bit of spirits. My camping stove. My spork. I found my spork. Pair of socks. My new saw. Collapsible bow saw. My knife. Rather than taking a great big knife, I'm taking that one literally just to make shavings for getting a fire going. My tech, my phone, head camera, power pack, radio, torch, solar panel, hand crank thingy, lighter, saucepan with a lid, just so I can cook up some noodles. I'm also taking some sausages that I've pre-cooked and something else, I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, a little tub of some casserole thing I made yesterday. My thermal jacket, mattress, sleeping bag, tent. That is it. All going into my Bergen. That would actually fit in my baby Bergen. But that's basically it. And what I'm wearing, which could be a pair of shorts. Oh, and what else did I get in there? Right, so I've got my waterproof jacket in there. And in the underside, I should have toilet roll. Yeah, I got a toilet roll in the underside. But that's bare minimal. I'm sweltering. It's about 30 degrees Celsius and it's been raining off and on for the past day and a half. So it's extremely humid out there. And I need to get out because I'm in a valley. It's just under 100 feet above sea level, like 20-30 meters above sea level. And it's humid as hell. So I need to get that hill, which is going to kill me. But I'm getting more and more exercise done on this leg. Yeah, that's a metal bulging out. So, yeah, that's my minimal kit I'm taking. A couple of things I forgot to mention. Yeah, the toilet paper, that's what I'm taking. I'm a guy, so that's what I need. In case I do decide to go for a dump. Socks. Always hang a spare pair of socks, especially if you've got wet feet. There is nothing worse. The rest of you can get drenched. If you've got wet feet, it is just depressing. And it can be very detrimental. So, spare pair of socks also comes in handy as spare toilet paper. Ask someone who's done prison time, they'll tell you why. Got my plastic bag, which my boots can go in when I'm in the tent. I've also at the moment got food. Basically, the sausages wrapped up in cardboard to keep the grease contained, because I fried them. And also the cardboard can be used as a fire starter for my camping stove. A little Tupperware container with a bit of my homemade casserole and a packet of noodles. Paracetamol. Reading glasses, book. Yes, still won't need to Blake. So, yeah. Oh, and my headlamp. That's basically it. So I've actually got 3 torches. I've got my phone, the headlamp, and my power pack thing, hand crank, jobby rechargeable thing. So all my tech is rechargeable. I mean, that lighter is brilliant. I've got another lighter, which I've not used it for camping yet. And it's the same, but it's more traditional Zippo style, which means you got to get in close to do it. Whereas this thing, you can just use it at a distance. So yeah, that was the additionals.